Hi there, welcome to the Coin Report channel. Today we're going to talk about a new opportunity that's just gaining momentum. We will focus on a Dogelon coin with explosive potential. Recently, rumors started circulating in social media that the cryptocurrency could replace various meme tokens like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, among others. But is it really so? And what do such giants as Google and Coinbase have to do with it? Let's try to figure it out in this video. Get comfortable and here we go. Guys, the first thing is to say a few words about the project itself, what it means, how it works, and what value it brings to its investors. This should help us understand several things, which we will discuss later. But if you're already familiar with this information, you can always use the timecodes below. So, for those who didn't know, Dogelon Mars is a cryptocurrency based on the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC-20 token standard. The project was named after the Mars capital, the Dogelon. The ERC-20 token standard is used by most fungible tokens on the Ethereum network, including Uniswap, Chainlink, and Aave. Even though the majority began to praise Dogelon, it's a Dogecoin fork. However, the token has a much larger total supply than Doge. Thus, it makes the asset less scarce and therefore less attractive to investors. But why doesn't such poor tokenomics stop retail buyers? No matter how much I say that the foundation of a coin is very important, in reality it is far from always being the case. Sometimes only hype is enough for cryptocurrency growth, and after a while it could get even bigger. Dogelon Mars is one of several dog-themed meme coin projects that showed up in 2021 after the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu success. Nevertheless, Dogelon claims higher ambitions than the rest of the pack. The project's claimed goal is to create an intergalactic currency that future space colonists can use on Mars and beyond. There are high hopes for this coin thanks to fresh rumors about the possible interest of big players. And now it's time to figure out what will happen to Dogelon in the near future, and whether it's even worth buying for the long term. I'll make you a spoiler right away. My answer will confuse you. So, the project has its own coin, named ELON. Although the token is not directly related to Elon Musk, his name has inspired many to keep it. Now the asset is in a 153rd place on the CoinMarketCap list. The fact that we're now in a bear market didn't stop it, and Dogelon showed good volatility over the past few months. At this point, I must say that such behavior is not bad since it is easy enough to explain. Firstly, such high asset volatility is associated with small project capitalization. The less weight a cryptocurrency has, the easier it is to throw it up high afterwards. And since ELON token holders expect Dogelon to be able to seize power among meme coins, including Dogecoin, they should be ready to see at least 55 times growth. In that case, both cryptocurrencies will get equal in capitalization. But so far, the difference between the two communities is significant. Just look at their Twitter accounts. 3.6 million subscribers versus 400,000. As you can see, the project is far behind in indicators. But this absolutely doesn't mean that Dogelon Mars has no prospects for growth. Let's look at why. Recently, the community has actively started associating Vitalik Buterin to the project, as well as to other techno giants such as Coinbase and Google. What's the matter? As for the Ethereum co-founder, the rumors are overly exaggerated, as they often are. It all started when, like Shiba Inu, Dogelon Mars sent 500 trillion tokens to Vitalik Buterin. Sometime later, Vitalik decided to donate Ethereum and Dogelon Mars worth 336 million to the Methuselah Foundation. This nonprofit organization develops tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. That's how various rumors started to appear that Buterin could turn its attention to the coin or even become the project ambassador, similar to Elon Musk and Dogecoin. But in my opinion, it's very unlikely. As for Coinbase and Google, there's already a better chance that such an event will ever happen. Now I'm talking about the coin listing on Coinbase and the ELON coin's subsequent acceptance by Google. Why? Dogelon Mars recently became known for its connection to the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange. On February 1st, the Methuselah Foundation published this post, which I recently told you about. After thanking Vitalik Buterin for providing them tokens, they moved the funds to olympusmons.eth. And they were helped in this by Coinbase itself. Wow, what events turn out. A few days later, on the Dogelon official page appeared a post of gratitude for the platform's generosity. And while the fact that there was contact between a company of this caliber and Dogelon means nothing, the cryptocurrency has raised hype around itself. The dedicated community started to speculate more and more about when the listing will happen. At the moment, the ELON coin is traded on several exchanges. This information can be found on their official website. As you can see, here are Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKX, and others. But I believe that we will also be able to see Coinbase on this list soon. A listing of this kind will definitely positively affect the token price. Not to mention that Dogelon may go further, getting on the cryptocurrencies with which Google Cloud users will be able to pay for the company's services. It sounds a bit fantastic, but Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are already on that list, although at this point it is mostly just speculation. Such outcomes should be kept in mind. If you watched the video up to this point, please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Of course, if you liked our content. Well, we go on. In addition to Dogelon Mars' vague plans for multi-planetary expansion, the project also began publishing a series of Dogelon-themed comics on its website. By the way, the team hints at an upcoming NFT launch. They plan to launch a new token in a Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency universe. In short, many works are being done, the goal of which is to catch as many areas in cryptocurrency as possible to stay in the trend. But what makes the project unique? Its community earned a reputation for helping cryptocurrency fraud victims. Dogelon Mars has taken it upon itself to donate ELON coins to cryptocurrency fraud victims to reduce their losses. Unlike Doge and Shiba Inu, the Dogelon Mars project carries some galactic ambitions. The project's stated global goal is becoming an interplanetary currency that can be used when living beings colonize Mars and beyond. As for a closer target, the team seeks to pay for the colonists' transports to Mars. Mars colonization was a dream of Elon Musk. That's why the Dogelon Mars creators are directly approaching Elon with this meme cryptocurrency. And now to the most important thing. I want you all to understand that Dogelon is a story about speculative investments. Of course, since the project uses an already working cryptocurrency meme scheme, has a strong enough community, and does not have a large capitalization, the coin can explode very powerfully in the next bull run. But it should only make up a small part of your portfolio. There are a large number of meme projects on the market that still have strong community support, but their prices did not rise as expected after the Doge and Shiba Inu climb. In the same way, Dogelon Mars related to the Doge theme may face the destiny of many other failed projects for whatever reason. So don't give in to the general hype and always think with your head before investing. And that's it for today. Subscribe to the Coin Report channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.